Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 15.3. Draw the graph of the following table of value with suitable scale on the axis cost of apple. So that first A part. So that we will write here that this will be the 0. Obviously that will be the 0. Here we will write the number of apples. That is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then here will be write the cost. So that will be right 25. We can't write here. So that will be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And then here we will write that is a scale. That is 1 unit is equal to, that is 5 rupees. 5, because we have written the table of 5. So that first is 5. So we will put the decimal point here. And then second is 10. So we will put the point here. On 2. On 3, that is a 15. So that will be here 15. Or just wait here 15. And then 20. So that will be 20. And then 25. So that will be here 25. And then you will be draw a line. You can use the ruler also. This is the graph. And then second one is distance traveled by a car. B part is also like this same. You will be draw. That is a distance. So sorry, this is a time. That is 0. That is a 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., that is 9 a.m. This is the 9 a.m. And then here we will write the table of 20. That is 20, 40, 60, 80, that is 100, 120, and then 140, 160. Or that will be the distance. You will be write distance. And that first day, that is a 40 kilometer. So that will be the 40 kilometer. And then you can here scale will be right. Scale will be 1 unit is equal to 20 km. Or you can write the 40 km also. So that is a, and then that is next is 80. So that will be the 80. Next is 120. So that will be the 120. And then next is 160. That is a 160. And then you will be draw the straight line. That is the straight line. And then questions are also here. First part that saying how much distance did the car cover during the period 7:30 to 8 a.m. 7:30 to 8 a.m. That means will be 20 km. Its traveling distance 7 to 8 is 40. So that is a 20 km. Half of that one. What was the time when the car have covered the distance 100 km since its start? 100 km. 100 km that will be here. Or 7 a.m. 7:30 a.m. C part C part is interest on deposit for a year. So that will be also same. That is a 0. Here will be right. Here will be right. Deposit is 10,000 and then 20,000 and then 20,000 and then 30,000. Oh, sorry, 3,000 and then 4,000 and then 5,000. And then here again we will write the table of 80, 160 and then 240 and then 320 and then 400. Here we will write simple interest and then on 100 that is a 80 and then on 1000. So on 2000 that interest is 160, next is 240 and next is 320 and next is that is 400. So that is the line. And then first part and then here scale also will write. Scale, what is the scale on x-axis? X-axis, that is 1 unit is equal to 1000 rupees. That is 1000 rupees, 1000. And then on y-axis, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. On that is a 1 unit is equal to 80 rupees, 80. And then first part, does the graph passes through the origin? Yes. Origin point is this one. 0 is the origin point. Second part, use the graph to find the interest on rupee 2,500. 2,000, so 25,000. So that is the 25,000. That will be the 200. That is the 200 rupees, 200. When you will be draw in your bar graph, then you will be see very clearly. To get an interest 280 per year, how much money should be deposited? 3,500. That will become 3,500 rupees, 3,500. That second question, you will be see second question. Second question, draw the bar graph. So that again we will write the same thing. Side of square, that is the side of square, and then perimeter, that is the perimeter. So that is the origin point 0, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maximum is 6. And then here we will write the table of 2. That is a 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That is 14, 16, 18. That is 20, 22, that is 24. And then Now on 2 you are looking 8, that is 8. On 3 that is 12, on 3 that is 12, and then 3.5, it means here, that is 14, that is 14, and then 520, 520, and then 624, 6, that is the 24, and then draw the line. Draw the line. Is a linear graph? Yes, this is a linear graph because it passes through origin. Second part of second question. This is the first part. Sorry, second part, that side of square, again same thing is there. So we can apply of this one. That see that here we will write the side of square, that is 0. This is the area. So that we write the table of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then here we will write the table of, that is 4, 8, 12, 16, 24, 28, 32, and then 36. And then we will see that here on 2 that is a 4, on 2 that is 4, on 3 that is 9, 9 means just above the 8, on 4 that is 16, on 5 that is 25, that is just above the 24, above the 24, on 6 that is 36. That is a linear graph? No, because it's not passing through origin. And then scale on y-axis, what we have written here, 1 unit is equal to 4 centimeter square, or here that is 1 unit is equal to 2 centimeter, or you can apply the another scale also, no problem will be there. Okay.